Madam.
EJ.
Ma?
Do you have boil in your buttons?
Ma, it's a...
Why are you walking like this? Do you have boil in your nyash?
No, ma. I'm fine, ma. I'm okay, ma.
And the suit? What are you celebrating? Is today your birthday?
No, nothing at all. I just want to look neat. Nice, yes. Make I dress neat. Yes.
I see.
Thank you, ma. Wasted effort. I see. Now be the only thing she go talk upon all the effort I make to look handsome and neat. Do I not blame you? Today na first day. For the second, I feel catch you. You get the bile. Get the bile. Now, no, take now. Jam this gate. See all my effort. Imagine, EJ, you get boy. See my aka. See this one. Look at me. Huh? Hi. Huh? Imagine, look at my shoe. Huh? That man. You see, when a man is talking to you, you have to listen to a man. I came here, you were harassing me up and down, pushing me. What is happening today? I'm in the main building, you are at the gate house. Why the cage? No condition is permanent, you must use your head. Come. What will be the meaning of this insult where they heap on top of already made insult? Is it because, as a guest, they stay inside the main building, while me, we don't last year, they forget? Why you they boil up? I'm trying to give you a very good advice. You see, whenever you see a man, talk to a man like a man. Me, who is reporting the thing, do you think I'm safe? She has turned me into a baby nurse. Baby nurse? You don't know. Baby nurse. You think I'm happy to have come to tell you this thing? I am now a baby nurse. You need to see myself and this Agnes. We were in the village. Fear women. See women, if they tell you stand, run. If they tell you run, stand. What happened? In the village, we were so... Me and Agnes walk hand in hand. She was very proud of me. We walk hand in hand. Everything she tells everybody, this is my man. Now, she has turned me into a baby nurse. Hey. Women. Hey. Anyway, don't worry yourself. That one, Okafor's law. You know, with Okafor's law, it's just a matter of time. You will win her heart back. Both of you now go become madam and dogga. Why I go steal the manage gate? I really think that is still possible. Not possible with women. No. See, with Okafor's law, we stated that a tree which you have been climbing before, you can still climb the same tree again. Okafor is dead. It's either Okafor is dead or Okafor is not well here. Because things are moving. How can Okafor bring that very law and make it to be static? Tree, no, they grow again. If they grow in height, they grow in size. The tree, if it don't grow, your hand cannot even go around it. How can you climb it? With the common sense, you go just run, go get ladder. Use the same ladder, climb the same tree. Go walk. Ije. What you are saying is wrong. You see, a ladder can only go. Just take this house, for instance. If you place ladder here now, for this zinc, maybe here you go end. You know, go there on top of the house. Ladder can only reach here. You cannot go to that top of the house. I go begin take leg, do the thing. 3 branches will not allow the ladder to penetrate. It will just go to the trunk and stay. How do you go to the top? Depending the height and the length of the ladder. And we'll leave matter for Matthias. Just follow Okafor's law. A matter of time, you go win Madam back. You and Madam now, you go become Oga. Madam go become Madam.
See, imagine, I go knock coat. Come wear my finest shoe. But on top of that, I come the waka, they do guy, they come make I attract madam face. You know what the madam ask me? EJ, you get the boy for Nash. The thing tire me, just condemn my heart. No be laughing.
Oh, you the waka in a guyish.
The guyish myself, my movement.
Interpreter say that guy that guy waka na boy.
Na boy.
You even lucky. Say no, she say na ibi.
This one.
Women, fear them. Those people, all these things are my money.
Are you sure? Yeah. Oh, you don't work. I've asked you well. Imagine you get by. Yes, that one a wasted effort.
Remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. Zobu enyimba, zobu enyimba, zobu enyimba, zobu enyimba, zobu enyimba.
And I'm right. Is that the kind of song your mother sang for you when you were small? A war song for a crying baby? Are you high?
You know, it makes them look very, very strong, you know. It will make him, as soon as he continues to listen to the thing, it will make him strong.
My baby is a she, not he.
Okay, yeah, all the same, he will still make him, heart strong.
Oh, little baby, why do you cry? Never mind, baby, mommy is coming. Why we are playing? Oh, never mind, mommy is coming. Now, that is the kind of song you sing for my baby. Now, sing it.
Sing what? I didn't know the song and I was just listening to you singing. The only thing I can remember from it is crying mother. Can you be a fool? I don't know the others. Unless you teach me.
Illiterate bushman. Whatever made you come to the city, sir?
I wanted to come and see you, Agnes. You know I've been missing you for a very long time. And then I decided to come and also to expose myself to the city now.
Expose yourself,
yes.
Exposure.
You know we could still be related. You see the way we are laughing together. Look, Agnes, we can still come back together and then laugh together. You see the way the thing is now. It's very sweet for us to be laughing together again.
I will come back in 10 minutes. Make sure you learn the song correctly or you sing any other lullaby for her. I don't joke with my baby.
I don't know. I have not. You should have taught me the song very, very well. How can I sing what I do not know? Single mother. Crying single mother. Can you be a fool? Oh, yes. You're really a single mother, crying single mother. You can be very, very foolish. Trying to treat me like this. Agnes. Forgot yesterday. Forgot yesterday completely. Treating me like this.
Mkpuluma. 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 Did you see Mkpuluma there? Mkpuluma. 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 Where can this girl be? I hope people like Nam have not stolen her. Mkpuluma. Mkpuluma. Mkpuluma.
Breathe on me. troubled heart. Something is lurking in my heart. What I feel is right, but the heart is not so smart. All for love I have become a fool. To think you love me too, as I'm loving you. Rain on me. Rain on me. Rain on me. It's all the love I feel for you, thinking you're so cool, but you are just no good. And all the evil that you do, still believe with you, and still is what you
Mom.
reap.
My daughter.
All for love I have become a fool. To think you love me too, as I'm loving you.
That's all right. My daughter, come. Bian, come. Leave him. The foolish man has left here. He has left this village. Don't worry. I will look after you. I promise you, I will look after I know the pains you are having. I know the pains you are having. I know. But come, leave him. My daughter, come, let us go. The foolish man has left this place. Huh? He has left this village. I know, only God knows how you fell into that man's hands. Only God knows. Let me tell you, my daughter, let me tell you, I must take care of you. I will look after you. I will look after you. I can never abandon you. Come, let us go home. God will fight for you. Eh? Don't worry. Oh. It's okay. It's all right. Don't cry again. Eh? It's okay. Wherever he runs to, he cannot run away from God's presence. Please, don't worry. I shall look after you when you deliver. I must take good care of you. It's okay. It's all right. He has run away. But he cannot escape God's punishment. Let's go.
Oh, my troubled heart.
Don't worry.
Something is lurking in
My daughter, you will never suffer. I will look after you. I'm promising you that. Leave him. Let him go. It's all right. Take time. It's okay. It's all right. Eh? It's all right. See, look. Let me show you. Only God. He's seeing you. God is seeing your tears. God there is seeing your tears. Eh? It's all right. It's okay. Don't cry again. Wipe your tears. Please. Wipe the tears. Don't cry again. It's enough. It's enough. Have mercy on this little girl. Oh my God. Have mercy on this little girl. It's all right. Don't cry again. It's okay. It's okay.
Yes. Gabe, I'm listening to you.
Dear, where are you, Wadi? Where are you?
I'm anywhere. I'm in the world. What kind of question is that?
You think it is fair? You think that what you did to my daughter is fair? That life will be good for you?
Gabe, 4 young men testified before everybody that they were involved with your daughter. So what is it?
Listen, Gabe, my daughter is sure. She knows who got her pregnant, and it is you. I have seen proofs every day, and she is sure.
Gabe, go to hell.
Bia, that I should go to hell.
Go to hell.
That I should go to hell. This is more ga hell. All right. Oh God, catch Wadi for me. Catch him just once. Let me blow his eyes once. And I promise that when the child of my daughter, when the boy is born, I will name him Isaiah.
You're not serious, Gabe. You're not serious at all.
Isaiah is the mighty prophet of God who worked very hard for God in the Bible. I will give him that name to remember, yes, to remember what God has done for me by bringing you back. And if the baby is a girl, I have not thought of any name for a baby girl. But God, I know you will give me a girl, but not now.
Listen, Gabe. Listen very carefully. This is Uwadiegu that you're talking to. I have not finished making love to those people who are not destitute. Those people who are sound, not deaf and dumb. When I finish with them, I can now come to people like your daughter who is deaf and dumb. Do you understand what I'm saying? Even if I have done it with your daughter, I'm always a very careful man. That means that I use Opunabeng, maybe 1 or 2 times that I have, or even 3 times that I have gone to your daughter. So what is this?
I will speak in tongue, because prayer without speaking in tongue is no use in this situation. Father God, answer my tongue prayers. I will use spiritual bombardment, spiritual earthquake. I will use Hawaii to blaster him. Uri kasaka, bombombo yaka sonto, libra chori bosoko yaka santa, bro shaka yaka, bro etwalo yanga, bro shaka, cho. Say, Tetiegi pia, akogi li, bro shaka yaka, soko yaka, edwaka. God, excuse me. Let me attend to this little girl. God, please. Yes. Exactly. You're right. Yes. You love it. At least let me put a smile on your face for once. I bought it for you. Yes. Listen, let me tell you, everything will be all right. God will answer our prayers and everything will be all right. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know you are a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Yes. My daughter, come. Let us take a stroll a bit. Let us take a stroll out a bit. Okay. Yes. Exactly. You are right. Don't worry, it will be all right. It will be all right. God is listening. He's watching everything. Don't worry. Don't worry, my daughter. All will be all right.
Maybe he's resting.
Madam, good day, ma.
I don't understand this man. He's always overdressing these days.
That's not overdressing. No, this is he's parceling himself.
Dikeh, come here. Are you all right?
Oh, yes.
What's with all these clothes?
Oh, no, trying to look neat and the cool.
This is not even clothes. This is tarpaulin.
Are you sure you're all right?
I'm okay.
Okay. Okay, oh, no problem. As far as you're okay with the heat, no worry. Because I know you don't have fun inside that your room.
No, I'm okay. It's like you are driving out.
Yes, open the gates.
Oh, wonderful.
And you, Wadi, make sure you feed my baby very well. Very, very well.
I will feed him well. Don't worry.
Ha.
Okay, yes, sir. Tell mommy I'm going to feed you very, very well. Hey! EJ! Look at you. What do you think you are doing? Eh? You want to impress your madam, she should not even see you.
What do you think I'm doing? No, what do you see that I'm doing?
You get man who want to impress the madam, or rather who wants to get the madam, isn't it?
As if I know no saying at the same plan where I get, at the same plan where you dey hatch for your heart.
Look, my friend, you see, when you talk like this, I begin to think that you are a fool and then you don't have sense again, which is bad. She happens to be my wife. You see, husband and wife can quarrel. My own people will understand it. I'm trying to see if I can, get this reconciliation with my Agnes. Don't worry. That's all. In your own case, I can't understand it at all.
No, let me assimilate that insult. No, Wadi. Make I ask you one question. You think if I dress up and you dress up, and two of us go out now in chase of the same woman, that she'll consider you before me as yes?
Oh, you are not talking about the same woman. Well, if you want to know who Wadi is, go back to my village. Ask them who Wadiegu is. They know that if I put my fingers into any pie, I don't leave it until I get it.
Except this one.
Which one? This one is already my wife now. You are talking about neutral. Leave Agnes out of it because Agnes is my wife.
What I can now understand why you they talk with a cool voice. No, because you dey inside the main building, they receive AC. Why me, EJ? I dey here, they drag with mosquito, heat, cockroach, even rats. Don't worry, make madam give me one chance. Make I dey for the main building, receive AC. If you see me, go no say EJ na fine bobo.
Fine bobo, what will that change? I am staying there because I'm the husband. You are staying because you are a boy. So, how can you come here? Wake up, stop this your dream.
No, make we do am. Just a minute. Just come stay here. Eh? Make I stay inside the main building. If you see
For
me.
what now? When madam is staying with the husband, which is me. Don't worry, I will this little misunderstanding will soon reconcile it. This is your place, gate is your own. Wake up from your pipe dream. Look at green eagles. Hey!
You say you be better man, you for agree. Just come stay for one day. I stay inside there for one day. You see me, I know who go win now.
Green eagles. Yeah, you just do like mascot. I have done whatever I should do to you. I've given you one secret.
Waiting now. Eh? You should say this old man from village, you know, they flog this little baby. Imagine, baby when they cry since. Eh? He never stop. Even though say that baby not toy, by now the battery for don't run down now.
While I'm there trying to attend to you, this get man is skitting himself and taking my baby away from me. Deba! Come, sit down.
They cry. Put something for him mouth. Oh. Look for food, give him food. Or use something block him mouth, make him stop crying before he develop hypertension or hyperfever. Anyway, waiting with my own. Why I come here, I can't bother myself. My own no be to guide gate. Your own not to guide baby. The kill and down.
There is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do. I have to be good for my baby. Now her baby, she's my baby. Agnes is my baby. Because I've been attending to you. Look at how this great man is trying to overthrow me.
What the pamper the baby now? Pamper him, carry him.
Let me look good instead of looking like a beast for once. Have I not fed you? I think I have all the time.
Is that how a baby must behave? Look at the way you abandon the baby there and she's crying. Do you want her to develop hypertension? Hyperfever.
Little man, who gave you the permission to enter my room? And you're talking.
The baby was crying since morning. Eh? I said, don't you have anything to do so that she'll stop crying?
Are you sure that is the reason why you came inside this house? You came into this room to enjoy my AC. Talk through.
Why they talk like this now? I heard the baby crying. Eh? I decided to come in.
This crying is something else. This baby, you give him food. He will finish the food now. After some time, he doesn't even wait. He shoots. Hunger will come again. He will begin to cry. Then I will give him he had finished all the food that the mother kept for him. And he continues to cry. What do you want me to do?
In that case, the baby needs to sleep. If she falls asleep now, then all this cry will stop.
How is it going to fall asleep? With it very crying?
Maybe, I didn't mean we have palm wine here. Eh? It would have been better. I'm telling you, just give her palm wine. Hey, she will sleep. Original palm wine.
Palm wine? Want the baby to be drunk?
No, she cannot be drunk. Let me tell you, what you're going to do, if you get that palm wine, make sure you dip your finger into that palm wine, bring it out. With that little quantity, let the baby suck. Once the baby suck, she will sleep.
Are you sure?
I know what I'm telling you. Even my own mother, she brought all of us up with that money.
In that case, now let me go and buy palm wine for him to cool him down.
Why are you calling the baby he? Eh? She's a girl.
He looks like at times he looks like a boy to me. That was why. You know what? That reminds me. You know, since you told me Agnes is a single mother, I still cannot decode that thing. I still cannot understand single mother. Are you saying that this baby has no father? Because there's no child that doesn't have a father. Unless you want to prove to me now that Agnes impregnated herself.
May we no lie.
Who is the father?
May we no lie. If I now don't tell you lie, this question will throw me now. It pass me. Maybe if Agnes come back, both of us will go ask her.
I still know. It's okay now. Please, you're going to help me now. Come, please, okay. Help me look after her.
Okay.
I want to go and buy Pami.
Okay.
Because if she continues to cry like this, there will be a headache. And this lady will come back and begin to insult somebody. Let me go and buy Pami and give to her.
I hope she will not shoot on me, because this one you overfed her.
No, I have not overfed her. She's not going to shoot on me.
Sorry. No, let me be here and
No. What do you mean? What do you think? Take her to your this thing and then sit down there. Let me go and buy this thing. Why would you stay inside the room? Sorry, baby.
An empty house, an empty street, a hole inside my heart. I'm all alone. This I keep on thinking. I wonder why, I wonder how, I wonder where they are. Hey! This baby don't piece on my 1,500. Wadi! I better come back and I can't carry this baby now. Which kind of thing be this? 1,500. Wadi! Ha! If baby forgive me sign. If I raise hand up. If I even talk. Wadi! Ha! And this kind of piece they smell. Ha! Hey, baby, hang yourself. Eh? Hey! Oh! Thank God, say no be shit, you shit. Hey, you stop there.
Me?
I said you should stop there. Yes. I said stop there.
Any problem?
Yes. You're under arrest. You look like a criminal.
I don't understand. What looks like a criminal in my body now? Is it my face or my hands?
Arrest him. He looks like a criminal. I said arrest him. You're under arrest for loitering in this city. I will take him to the station.
I'm not loitering. I went to buy...
Oga said you look like a thief. I think I agree with him.
How do I look like a criminal? I just went to buy this thing.
Let me see.
I just went to buy this thing now.
What? Palm wine?
Yes.
So you are drinking palm wine by this time of the day?
Is it against the law?
Oh, no. Don't you know that a gainfully employed person can never drink by this time of the day? Look at in the morning.
I don't see that how that is an offense.
Officer, arrest him. Yes, sir. Let's go to the station.
But is that enough to...
When we reach to the station, you explain to the DPO. Let's go. Let's go.
No, how can I... Look, I just went to buy something.
Let's go, my friend. Let's move.
Oh, baby, sorry. Oh, what did? Is it not only palm wine that you went out to buy? This baby is crying. She has been crying since morning. Sorry. And now I don't have any baby food to give you. It's okay. Here, baby, you have to... Wait. You have to manage this. It's even pepper soup and the pounded yam. Osuofia, come and eat. You have to manage it with Uncle Ije. Osuofia, food. Hey, thank God, though. They have to manage with Uncle. You see, I'm food. Hey, don't worry. I'm going to give you food now. Eh? Well, you better come back fast. Sorry.
Hey, why is Wade not taking my calls? Why is he not picking my calls now? I hope my baby is okay. Nobody tampers with my baby. The worst is that my foolish kid man doesn't have a phone. Abi, he's always saying that his phone is bad. Why is Wade not taking my calls? I hope my baby is okay. something has happened to my baby. What is it? What are you doing with my baby? Eh? Where is Wadi? And why are you the one carrying my child?
I don't know how to tell you this. Wadi went out. He's not around here.
He went out? He left my baby and went out?
No, madam. Really not like that. He went out to do something in connection with the baby. Not just ordinary went in out.
What could he have gone to do in connection with my baby? Come. Are both of you trying to sell my baby?
Hey! God forbid. Madam, you should not allow your mind to go that side. This baby was crying since morning. Crying. And as a friend, I suggested to Wade, let me just say I give advice. Run out and get a original pame. You know, with a cup of it or even 2 cups of who send you of that pame, this baby will go to sleep. Instead of having a hyper fever or hypertension.
What?
Just who sent you original pame, not Uncle now. That is Uncle.
You and Owade planned to make my baby tipsy.
Madam, no, it's not tipsy. Even my own mom, she brought all of us up like that. Our own was even bad.
Chinekime. You are mad. You are very stupid. So because your mother made you drunk as a child, that's why you want to make my little baby drunk as well. You are evil.
No, ma.
Hey, Chinekime, Kansije. Hey. Baby. And what is this I see in her mouth?
Okay, I was feeding her the time you drove in.
You were feeding my baby?
Yes.
With what?
Just pounded the yam with pepper soup. Hot one and enough pepper inside.
Chinekime! You were feeding my baby! Hey! Oh, can't see, God, I'm finished. You were feeding my baby with pounded yam and pepper soup. Hey! Hey! Who in his right sense you will feed a child like this with pounded yam and pepper soup? Hey! Madam, you even would plan to make her drunk. Madam, are you an idiot? Are you a fool? Hey! Make her drunk!
Madam, sorry.
Madam, sorry. If you talk to me, just one word, what I will do to you, I swear to God, you will never finish telling the story till the day you will die.
There's no way to borrow milk. And there is no way I can't even get the baby's food. Where have I gone wrong? Just to help a baby. And the Wadi is not even here to share the heat. At least take half and leave half for me. Hey! Hey! When you join me. Who's there?
Somebody who has just been relieved from police.
Shut up! Come on, stop there! Are you stupid? Come on, stop there!
Guy, search him. What do you have in your pocket?
Small money. The money that is there is still very small.
Collect the money. Take
it.
Hold it. What do you even have in this pocket? This poor man.
I'll remove my
even if I remove it, as long as I collect the phone and the money. Only this poor man phone.
I don't even
Are you
care.
true? You are lucky we are just amateur robbers. We haven't bought our gun yet.
And let me tell you, we've ordered for our gun. By God's grace, in 2 months' time, our gun go enter. And if we see you next time, just remind us, say, may we take your life. And you go see her.
I won't remind you. Is that not dagger that you're holding? Why won't you use it? Why are you going? Why are you entering the bush? Why are you running? Come and use your dagger on me. You people are even less than amateurs. Students who are looking for money for Ego Million. Take my life. Take boom.
Only why they fit the knack for gate like this. Eh? Madam is very good. No, don't even take it lightly like this. In fact, she's very ready to kill someone. Good.
I am very ready to die.
What? Are you well at all?
What do you mean by am I okay? You say Agnes wants somebody to kill, and this is somebody who wants to die in her hands. I need somebody to kill me.
Mm-hmm. No, not like that. Let us plan how to, to shape our mouth or what we are going to say before her.
EJ, she's ready to kill somebody, and somebody is ready to die in my hand. Let her kill me today. What if it's not?
What is it? Why did you barge in like that? This is my house. You must knock before you enter. I may be naked, for God's sake.
Does it make any meaning? It doesn't make any meaning. I heard that it's only single mother that climb you. So whether I do anything or I barge in, it doesn't make any difference because I'm not going to make you pregnant. So William, why?
By the way, where have you been and where are you coming back from?
I was detained by the police and I'm coming back from the arrest. I went to buy palm wine and from there I was arrested.
For real? Hey, that means the angels of my baby are at work. They stopped you and detained you from giving intoxicating drink to my little baby. You see? My God is at work. You see? Now listen, both of you. Let me sound this note of warning. Let the things that happen today never, do you hear me? Never repeat themselves again. Otherwise, both of you would leave my house. Are both of you fools? No. Are you idiots? No. How can you give intoxicating drink to 2-month-old baby? You want to get my baby drunk, Abby? You want to make her drunk?
Agnes, I just told you here that I was arrested by the police. You did not even show any sympathy at all. Not even to ask me under what charges. What was my offense? Where would the police listen? When? Who bailed you out? No sympathy at all, no concern. Look at the way you are just shouting on me. Remember, in the village, I'm a well-respected elder. You are a witness, you know it. So why are you shouting at me like this?
Oh, His Royal Majesty, I should show you sympathy. I should show you sympathy. Did you show sympathy to my little baby when you left her in the arms of this hopeless, useless fool that gave up pounded yam and pepper soup? Did you?
Yeah, you gave her pounded yam. You gave the baby pounded yam and pepper soup.
It was unintentional.
You gave her unintentional?
No, sir. No. Hey, Jesus. Oh.
Look at him.
Hey, Jesus.
Enough. God, I'm highly disappointed in both of you. Now leave my sight. Get out.
Get out.
Huh? We're going to shine, Nabi. No, you don't take me shine, Nabi. No problem. Don't worry.
Mary, get out.
Get out. Agio.
Don't even come. Don't come close to me. Leave my sight.
It's me.
I said you get out.
Agio.
Get out.
It's
me.
It's me. Oh.
Master, get out. Idiots. Fools. Want to kill my baby for me.
Is this the one that stayed?
Yes.
What are you going to do about the others? I already promised 3 families. You know you told me 3.
Yes, I know. But I don't know how the second one goes so wise and I left. You know, I usually go for the foolish ones who will believe anything I tell them. But you have to be careful. People are talking. After this set, you have to change style. And you must increase what you pay me per child. 400,000 naira is too small. You know, from there, I pay the bride price. From there, I look after the woman, feed her till she gives birth. So you can see.
But at least I help you with the childbirth because they give birth in my hospital in the next village. And you don't pay for it, or do you?
Yes, I know. But all the same, that one is even becoming a problem. People are asking why I always go to Osuofia village for my wife to deliver. And each time I took them there to deliver, I will come back with the same story. One will go before I went here. The child was dead before he was born, so we buried him.
Well, let us take care of the 3 first, okay? You have to do everything possible to get back your second wife. And also the deaf and the dumb one too. I am going to give you some money to spend and to take care of things.
That would be wonderful.
Is that okay? Good. You have to get back that woman and the dumb one too.
Jim, good evening. Your visitor, I greet.
How are you?
I'm fine. Hey. And I just want to say that I'm not foolish. I think I know what is going on. But I don't have any problem with anything. Because even this baby self, I don't need it. The one who got me pregnant will never agree in this world. Even if he agrees, he is very poor. He cannot look after this baby and I. So, since Mazin has paid my bride price and married me, I'm ready to cooperate in his business. But he will give me 200,000 naira for my own course in the business. That is what I want to say. Oh, yes, you can go. Oh, now we know. I'm saying, oh, fantastic. Oh, my mama. Hey.
I thought you said she was foolish. Huh?
What can I say?
Nam, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Naike, this is 8 cola nuts and a keg of palm wine. I use this to plead with you to please ask my lovely married wife, Mandalene, to please come home with me. Let her follow me home.
You don't have any problem. Mandalene! 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 Papa! Bia? Imeke.
Yes, Papa.
Ngwa, your husband has come to take you home. He brought these traditional items to say, come back home if he has offended you in any way. So, go inside, pack your things, and go with your husband.
Never. Papa, never. I can't go back to that house. From the story I'm hearing, this baby is not safe there.
Story? How are you sure of the truthfulness of the story?
Papa, he has married wives who were pregnant before he got married to them. Can you tell us what happened to their babies?
They all died at birth. Am I God? Please, come home with me. Your case is different.
They all died in a particular hospital at Ezeoke. And you continue to use that same hospital. Papa, this man is doing child trafficking.
Tufiakwa?
Yes. That is why he married us when we were pregnant and abandoned. And you want me to go back to that house. I am not going back. Oh.
God forbid. How dare you tell such an abomination against your own husband, Madeline? What truth? Naike, I'm going. They say the insult of a wedding man is worse than his killing. I'm going. Let her remain here and give birth to a baby that has no father.
Never. I said never. Magdalene, you must follow your husband home.
Papa, never. Papa, never. I am not going back to that house. Papa, I can't go back to that house. Oh. Instead, I will run and die. Papa, if anybody troubles me again in this house, Papa, I will run. And if I die, I take Papa. I am not going back to that house. I can't go back to that house, Papa. You want me to go back to that house?
Magdalene, come back here. That is how you got pregnant without knowing the father of the child. Eh? Magdalene, come back here. I said come back here.
Better to lose one than to spoil my business.
Waiting person cause he go carry go. I mean today now one thing, tomorrow will be another. The struggle continues now one thing.
Sir, are you the one Madam is expecting? Oh, okay, you are coming in.
Waiting man is so wadi. Now he go reap. You don't think of tomorrow. Trouble no they sleep. Waiting man is so wadi.
Baby, my baby. Come on, see the mixed stew. Looking sexy. I mixed you. Girl, you looking sexy. Are you dressed to kill, man? I'm glad to have you. Me too. So it's my angel doing.
Let's go to the bedroom.
To the bedroom?
Yeah.
Come on. Hey.
Hi.
Let me just remove this coat. It's a wasted effort before you to kill somebody here. Huh? Hey! Imagine. What kind of love is this? Hey! Don't suffer. Wasted effort. Wasted effort. Wasted effort. Come. EJ, come and see. Come and peep through the window and see how shameless this woman is. Come and see what is happening. Fear!
I'm not peeping, and I'm not coming to look. I'm not coming. I'm not interested.
I thought you told me that she has no man. That it was a single mother that made her pregnant.
This man has stopped coming here over a year and now. I wonder. I'm surprised.
Unless she traveled and stayed for a very long time. Or they quarreled and they are now using this period to settle. Because I heard when Agnes was on phone saying, yes, honey, I was surprised when you called and said you were coming to apologize for everything. Hey. The man comes in every year to pump her and impregnate her and then goes. The next year, she'll come and then pump her and go.
Hey, that means both of us are just doing a fruitless labor.
You and who?
Me and you.
I'm not here for anything. Look at you. It is you who is doing the fruitless labor. Hey. I'm just here for because I spent some money. I invested some money on her. Finally finished.
Hey, what you are not denying? No, you are denying.
Denying what? By the way, what's your coat?
Me? Did I tell you that I put on coat? How can I put on coat on this kind of weather, hot weather?
Easy. You are putting on coat to attract.
Owade, you are needed inside. Like right now.
Go out. Maybe they are calling you to give you a hot slap.
Didn't you see how she dressed? The man couldn't complete the performance. They want me to complete it. There is the marathon. It's too much. Probably he has collapsed. See the way she come. She pirouetted. Owade with romance in her voice. You will see.
Go and receive your slap, John. No, that man has already suspected what you have inside your heart.
Come on, don't come and people. I'm going to complete this marathon.
No, go.
What I told you.
I'm okay with the one I saw. Go and receive your slap. Cool your mouth short. Cut your mouth short. Stop talking. You won't listen.
Boy, get me that water. I want to wash my hands. Boy, hold the water. I want to wash my hand. Hold it, boy. Okay. Hold it well. See that. See, sweetie, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Sweetie, will you marry me?
Oh my God! Yes! Yes! I'll marry you! I'll marry you. And I love you.
I love you too. I love you. Spend the rest of my life with you.
Me too.
Yes.
Oh, my ring kiss.
Especially for you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here,
Please, the food will get.
Open it.
No, it's because.
Open it.
It's because it will get.
Sorry, honey, sit down, let's eat. Let's eat.
It's very fun.
Especially.
What? Sorry, sir. Oh my God. Sorry.
Who's this one?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm Agayipun. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I didn't know. Sorry.
Who is this man?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm not eating again.
Please.
So sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Take it easy.
I'm trying to help you.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry,
sir.
I'm sorry. Just take it.
Sorry, sir. No, you probably try, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
I'm not eating again.
I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry.
Just sit. It's okay.
What did I do?
Don't mind him.
Sorry, sir.